I'm just gonna cut one out. Welcome to this edition of Cooking with Talessia's Kitchen, and today I am going to bring you Taco Bell Mexican pizza. Now, when I go to Taco Bell, that is one of the things, that's like my number one order from Taco Bell, or the Nacho Bel Grande. But today I had a taste for the pizza, so I'm going to remake Taco Bell pizza. And what you'll need for this is some ground beef. I have it in here. Some tortillas. Some green onions, tomato, can't even get this out. Some cheese, any kind of shredded cheese. I got Mexican blend, some refried beans, and some red enchilada sauce. So first, let's just cut up our vegetables. Let's get the cutting. The tomato. You just want to dice up. You just want to dice up the tomato. So I'm gonna cut it like this. That should be enough tomatoes. So just dice it. Okay, just dice up our green onions. Okay, we can sit this to the side. Sit that over here. Okay, let's go over here, and we're going to cook our tortillas. Yes. Come on over here. Turn on your skillet and just pour some grease. Oh my God, I just knocked over this rice, but hey. Just enough grease to a little bit coat the pan. You don't need that much. While this is heating up, take your tortillas and like do little holes like this, because when you fry it, so this can prevent it bubbling up. So now we're just waiting on the grease to get hot, then we're gonna come back and fry the tortillas. Okay, the grease is hot. Go ahead and just place this in the skillet, and you're gonna fry it on both sides. Let me get this. Turn it over on the other side. I'm gonna let this drain. And put it on a sheet or rack to drain. Go ahead and fry your other one. Turn this off. Grab this one, let it drain, and put it on the sheet. Turn your eye on medium and go ahead and place your hamburger meat inside the pan. We're gonna break this down, but we're gonna season this as I go. So I'm just using some black pepper, Mrs. Dash, onion powder, garlic powder. Accent. And some seasoning salt. Just a little bit of seasoning salt because after we cook this, we're going to put taco seasoning in there. Also, in the other pan, we're going to go ahead and put our refried beans. You're just cooking this down. This is already cooked. Add a little bit of water to that. Let that cook down and keep stirring it. Let's get this meat together. Make sure you dice this up because you want it as small as possible. Make sure you keep stirring the refried beans until they loosen up. And I'm adding just a little seasoning in this, a little accent, a little garlic powder, onion powder, seasoning salt, and black pepper. Give it some stir. Because this is already cooked, you just cooking this down. And finish stirring this. I'm going to drain this excessive grease and come back. So the grease is going. Go ahead and add your pack of taco seasoning. I have this bulk one, but 1 pack of taco seasoning is fine. Put it in there and go ahead and let this cook down. So the refried beans is done. We're going to set this over to the side. Just add a tad of water in here. Just a tad of water. I can look at this and tell I need some more taco seasoning. Okay, we are done. Let's take this over to here and prepare our tacos. So we already got our oven preheated to 400 degrees. So here's the first layer. You have your, I need a spoon. I'll sit this right here for now. Go ahead and just coat a little bit of the refried beans over the tortilla shell. Now some people put black beans on this part. That's just optional, up to you. But I'm just gonna make sure the whole tortilla has the refried beans on them. Okay, now we're going to add our meat. add our cheese. Well, no. Sprinkle some enchilada sauce over this. Then we're going to go ahead and add our cheese. Okay, now we're going to put the other layer on top, pat it down. Go ahead and sprinkle your tomatoes. Sprinkle your green onions. Sprinkle a little bit of the enchilada sauce. Sprinkle your cheese. Go ahead and put this in the oven on 400. You just want the cheese to melt. Hey y'all, look at that Mexican pizza. Let's cut it open. And I can't eat mine without no sour cream. I'm sorry. So let's cut this in 4. These are what your kitchen scissors are for. I'm just going to cut one out. Look. Child, let's get into this. I've been craving this. I seen this on somebody's I think somebody on Instagram. And ever since then, I've been craving it. But let me know how y'all make y'all Mexican style pizzas. Or y'all imitation of Taco Bell. Oh, it's so cheesy. Look at that. Dip it in some sour cream. Just what I imagined, even more. But listen, let me know how you make your Mexican style pizza. What did you add? If you tried mine, comment below. But make sure you like, subscribe, and share. And thank you for tuning in with another edition of Cooking with Talessia's Kitchen. Eating me a Mexican pizza.